In this tutorial, we will go over the Hardstop Homing that can be done on the Titan using the current detection routine in an A-script standalone program. Here we have a linear ball screw actuator connected to the stepper motor with encoder. There is no home or limit sensors, so we are going to use the Hardstop search routine and use that Hardstop and the encoder index to determine the zero position. We will open a pre-written standalone program and we can review step by step of what it is doing. First, we turn on the servo. We wait for the servo on to complete. We set the jog speed to 10 RPM and acceleration to 1000 RPM per second. Then we jog the motor in the negative direction. In the while loop, we search for the current to be under minus 500 milliamps. If we are moving in the plus direction, the current trigger will be above plus 500 milliamps. Once the current trigger is found, we get out of the while loop and perform the immediate stop. We set the current hard stop position at minus 1000 and we move slightly out of the hard stop to the zero position. After moving to the zero position, we wait for 1 second. Since we have a motor with an encoder with an index sensor, we do the encoder index search in the plus direction. We wait for the home to complete. We then perform some cycle motion by setting the speed to 800 RPM and acceleration to 5000 and moving between 0.5000 and 50,000. Now, let's compile and download the program. We will enable the program step monitoring so that we can know which line is being executed. Now, let's run the program. We see that the motor is jogging in the negative direction at a speed of 10 RPM. As soon as the current is triggered below minus 500 milliamps, the motor stops and moves out by 1000 count to zero. It then waits for 1 second and performs the index search and sets this new index detection position to 0. After the index search, it performs the motion back and forth between 5000 and 50,000 at 800 RPM speed. Now let's download this program to the flash memory and then have it run automatically at power-up. We exit out of the test drive and go to the configuration screen. We enable the auto run at power-up for program 0. Let's download the new setting and store it to the flash. Let's perform the power cycle and see it run automatically after power-up. Please note that all other types of motors, such as linear, brushless rotary, DC, and voice coil motors, can also do the same hard-stop homing using the same current detection routine. I hope that this tutorial provided you with a good understanding of the hard-stop homing using the current detection. If you have any questions, please send an email to support@arcusservo.com.